Are you struggling to hit your daily vegetable goal? My name's CJ, and I'm one of the nutrition coaches at CrossFit Indiana, here to dive into how to add more veggies to your favorite recipes while maintaining the delicious flavors that you love. First, let's revisit the plate method. A half plate non-starchy vegetables, quarter plate protein, quarter plate starch, and a bit of healthy fats. But how does that translate to combination recipes? Calculate how many cups are included per serving in your chosen recipe to ensure you're getting enough veggies. You'll need to add more if it's less than 2 cups per person. For example, if a recipe is 5 servings including 3 cups of veggies, you can add a side salad or roasted broccoli to reach the recommended 2 cups per adult. If a recipe has little to no vegetables, consider adding a bag of frozen mixed veggies to the pot for the end of cooking for a one-pot meal. Following these tips, you can easily incorporate more veggies into your meals while enjoying delicious and nutritious dishes. Let's start making healthier choices today.